Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and let it go slowly. For just a moment, notice where fear lives in your body. Maybe it's a tightness in your chest, a knot in your stomach, a restless feeling in your mind. Don't push it away, simply notice it. It's only a messenger. You have been taught to believe fear is truth, but fear is only a signal. Trust is not something you wait to feel after everything works out. Trust is the doorway you walk through first. Fear says, what if it all falls apart? Trust says, even if I can't see how, I am guided. Fear looks for proof before it rests. Trust is the proof. It's the knowing that life is conspiring for you, even when you don't see the evidence yet. Trust is knowing that everything is always working out for your highest good. When you believe this, when you know this, you can let go of the fear. You know that the universe has your back. You allow the trust to support you, to let you feel safe. Right now, imagine the version of you who already trusts. See yourself moving through your day with ease. You're smiling at all the little surprises that seem perfectly timed for you. Notice how light your body feels right now. Hear the sound of your own voice, calm, steady, certain. Feel that safety. It's like being wrapped up in a blanket on a cold morning, knowing you're warm, you're protected no matter what's going on outside. That feeling is trust. Trust is your natural state. It's been here all along. I choose trust over fear. I am safe to take the next step. Life supports me in ways I can see and in ways I cannot. Everything is unfolding for my highest good. I let go of control and I'm open to guidance. I am held always. I choose trust over fear. I am safe to take the next step. Life supports me in ways I can see and in ways I cannot. Everything is unfolding for my highest good. I let go of control and I'm open to guidance. I am held always. Take another last deep, slow breath in and release it. Feel your shoulders drop, your jaw release, and your heart open. Fear may still knock at your door sometimes, but now you know where to return. Back to this quiet knowing, back to trust. And from here, life can only meet you with more reasons to trust. I want you to repeat and listen to this video as many times as you need to build that feeling of trust, to open your heart to it and allow it to sink in.